Hi, this is Jade from Kolstad Property. Today I'm excited to show you a ground floor south-facing apartment here in the famous urbanization Zenamar 6 in Orihuela Costa. One of the many reasons that this urbanization is so popular is because of the beautiful communal areas. I mean, just take a look at this beautiful communal swimming pool. You have a large swimming pool, you have beautiful palm trees, so it's very much like a tropical resort. And the urbanization is very well maintained throughout the whole year, so you have a holiday atmosphere all year long. One of the first things you'll notice about this property is this amazing south-facing garden. It's a real extension of the living space. There's plenty of room for outdoor dining, relaxing in the sun, entertaining friends, or simply enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle all year round. You have sun most of the day, and as it's in a gated community, it's very private. So here you can enjoy the sun, or you can have a coffee in the morning or dining with friends and family. As you can see, the apartment is bright, welcoming, and very well maintained. The layout is practical and comfortable, making it ideal whether you're looking for a holiday home, somewhere to live permanently, or even a property with great rental potential. The kitchen is fully equipped and offers everything you need for everyday living. It's functional, easy to work in, and has plenty of storage. The apartment offers 2 spacious bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes and lots of natural light. There are also 2 full bathrooms, and a really nice feature here is that both have underfloor heating, making the cooler winter mornings much more comfortable. This second bedroom is perfect for family, guests, or even a home office if you're planning to spend longer periods here. The location couldn't be much better. Within just a few minutes you'll find restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, and the famous Zenamar Boulevard shopping centre. And of course, some of Costa Blanca's best beaches, including Playa Flamenca, Punta Prima and La Seña, are only a short drive or bike ride away. The property is sold fully furnished and equipped, and it also comes with a bonus car included in the price. So you can just bring your suitcases and start enjoying the life on the Costa Blanca as soon as you have the keys. So if you want to come and see this amazing property that has amazing outdoor space, amazing communal areas and amazing location, contact us now for a viewing.